it's a tough week for everybody, not just our staff, but you know, the clubhouse staff, the volunteers, they put in long days as well. But as far as the maintenance guys, we'll come in about 3:15 in the morning. We'll do a big mow out, a big push in the morning, trying to get all the jobs done before the golfers get here. So when they get here, everything's done and ready for them. We'll usually try to get out of here in about 4 or 5 hours. Most of the guys will go home for a few hours. Myself and a few of the assistants and some of the interns will stick around most of the day. And we'll bring everybody back mid-afternoon and get geared up to do it again all the way till about 9 or 10 tonight and finish up for the day and start it again the next day. I started working on a golf course when I was about 14. Was fortunate enough to grow up at a country club, and I hung out in the pro shop all the time, and I think they got tired of me hanging out in there all the time and sent me down to the maintenance department and put me on a weed trimmer. I was about 14 years old, and that's been 25 years ago. I've been doing it for forever, and so you know, we probably have, I don't know, 9 or 10 guys that are in the industry on my crew that have been in the same boat. My assistants have done that. I've never really had another job. A few of my assistants have never had other jobs, so we've been around it a long time. We've seen a little bit of everything over the years, so it really pays off when a big event like this comes up. You know, with a tournament like this, we'll run 24, 25 guys, and we do that with the help of other golf courses, volunteers, University of Tennessee, their turf grass management department, and interns and things like that. So we manage pretty well. It's very rewarding for us because we do this every day for our members, and so when you get a big event like this, the general public doesn't see it all the time, so they really get an opportunity to showcase what we do, and they take a lot of pride in it, and I think it shows in the golf course that, you know, people that aren't common knowledge of what happens at a country club or any golf course for that matter, what goes on a daily basis, it's just kind of blown up and people talk about it, and they see Foxed In and they want to know what you're doing, or they see you doing something out here and they've never seen it before, and so it's really cool to kind of get a chance to showcase that. But the average guy out here, he's the guy that gets here, does all the work, nobody sees him, nobody thanks him. That's the guy that's important to us. You get a mix of all guys here. You get young guys, old guys. You get, you know, interns. We've had women work out here. You know, the one thing that they all are is dedicated to be here and doing what they do, and they do a really good job at it.